everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just finished filming the unboxing for these lovely Namisu pocket pens. Please check out the other video if you are interested about it. And so I inked this pens up and I'm about to record it in my currently inked journal. So one of the problems a lot of new fountain pen users face is they don't know how to record what inks are in their fountain pens, and or they just neglect to record, and a few weeks or a few months down the road they forgot what ink they've got in their pens. Like at the very beginning, usually you don't have many pens, you don't have many inks, and that's not a problem. But as you go into the hobby and you get more pens, you get more inks, it becomes more and more of a problem. And I too have forgotten what I've inked up in my pens before. So I have here a traveler's notebook, and as you can see, it's like pockmarked with really horrible dots. It's from the mold. It's very hot and humid here in Singapore, and particularly in my room, it's really conducive for the mold to grow. And I've tried all sorts of things to get rid of the mold, wash it, sun it, UV, and tried various like leather conditioning stuff and other stuff that's supposed to get rid of the mold. Hasn't really helped and keep coming back. And I'm getting really frustrated, but still using it for now. If you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments below. So here I have a couple of notebooks. I've been using these notebooks for really long. It's kind of honest, to be honest, like neglected. I mean, this is from 3 years ago. I have not used it because this format was it's not really for me. But I have a currently inked book journal in there, and I've been using it for like ever since I started the hobby. So if you pardon my really like messy handwriting and stuff, but basically this is how I do it. The very manual and old school way. I've even got some like spills and stuff. But what I do is basically I write down the pen, the model and everything that could help me identify the pen. Like if I've got multiples of the same pen, and then I write down the ink. That's all. And the next time when I switch out the ink, I just cancel it out. I may write it in the same spot or I may write it behind. Yep, that's all. So I've been thinking of moving this to a digital space, but you know, it's it would be nice if I could have a spreadsheet of all the pens that are currently inked, and then I can just sort and filter like what are the pens inked with my favorite ink right now. But it's quite a lot of effort to transfer this physical thing into a digital book and into a digital like sheet, and I have to like open up the spreadsheet every time I ink up a pen. Whereas here I just write, and usually this is the first place I write in and test out the pen when I ink something new up. And nope. And inside I have the Namisu green cartridge. This is why it's so messy. Can't spell. Okay, and this is the Namisu N1 pocket pen. I think I have the spelling right now. It's also the M nib. And here I have Ink Institute, Cat at Midnight. Alright, so that's it for this short video, and see you in the next one.